Hey guys, Blizzard Peak here. Hope y'all doing good. Back at Costco, and today I got a chicken bake. Never had one before, but apparently it's like chicken, bacon, and Caesar all in like a baked bread thing. I also got a slice of cheese pizza in case this isn't good, because there's a lot of people on Reddit who aren't a fan of it, but you know, Reddit is Reddit. But we are going to give it a try ourselves. And by we, I'm going to give it a try myself and see how it is. So yeah, it is definitely like a baked stick loaf. Let's give this a try, I guess. Or can we like break off a piece? Ooh, interesting. Yeah, you can see the inside. Ooh, very cheesy smelling. You can kind of see the interior. Let's give it a try. That is decent. Yeah. It's alright. A lot of bread, like people say, but you know, it's chicken, cheese, bacon, and bread. It's going to be dense and a lot of bread. But overall, decent. In the end, definitely was a little less filling, but tasty. I guess as a bonus, we'll review the cheese pizza. I had the pepperoni the other day, so I figured why not get a slice of cheese. And yeah, once again, it's a big slice, but let's give it a try. And that's like all cheese, dang. Very little sauce ratio on this, but if you like cheese, you'll like this. Anyway, hope y'all have a great day. I'm gonna have lunch. I probably won't finish both of these because together that's probably like 1,400 calories. They both, the one said like 800 and the other said like 700 on the menu. But anyway, catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.